Now, Windows Kia VMD. You know, D drive, E drive, CD, DEPLOY. They are not bad. DEP the environment. And also requirement is now observe here. No, you want to see the logs. You want to see the logs. Get logs from pods with your app labels. See, you may able to see. Now I think I may deploy. First I'll deploy. First I need to start with Docker. Is it running or not? Docker. Docker. Just showing disable. Now this space is nothing. Yeah. Kubernetes. Yeah, starting right. Tomorrow is very powerful topic, stateful sets. Now, before going to that, everyone, what will you do? You must complete deployment related activities. Okay, we'll check it. I think it is started, right? Are you observing? Kubernetes running. Now we are moving to the where you need to check kubectl. Get the nodes. You may able to see now kubectl get pods. Now you need to use it. First, I want to remove kubectl, delete, or else what shall we do? kubectl scale deployment my app hyphen replicas is equal to one only I want. No. Now quickly we may check now. kubectl get pods. Now see remaining is they are completed only one by one are able to see. If you try to reduce, maybe existing nine it may remove one it will take it. Yes. Maybe time also whole time only we will see. Now you may see endpoints. kubectl get endpoints. What happened? Spelling mistake? No, right? No. The server does not have a response.
N missing, sir. N
EN
point, sir. N missing.
of ENDPOINTS. Yeah, everything is fine. What is the here service type? Port number is 8080. Service port 80 only I took, right? Or agree with me? Service port. I think in
Yes,
my
sir.
code, service port 80 only. Maybe I may check. What is the thing here? Local host. If I give local host, I am able to get actually, when I give 8080 also call, what happens when I see 8080. No, 8080 is not the right one. It's only 80 only the right one. Slash Java hyphen web hyphen AP. It needs to see the output. What happened? I think no spelling mistake, right? Getting everything is fine. kubectl get svc. So local host is fine on it. My app, load balancer, everything is fine. Even I may go with service port is also 8080. We may check it even that also. Service port, notepad. Where is my notepad? First I may go one certain browser, refresh it. Local host correct on the very anything. So not the restrictions. Notepad deployment. Yes, 8080 I given correct only. Java web APP correct only. Docker hands-on correct only. This is even I may take 8080. Then control yes and apply once again. kubectl apply hyphen f dep.py. app config. kubectl get end is. Oh, how many are there? Three only there, na? This is my four. By default, three are there, I hope. Here, maybe. Check it. Where is the replicas? There five are there. You should don't go for five. One is the right browser. One dot yes. Because of memory inception problem. If you go like that. Now kubectl get SVC, that is good. kubectl get endpoints, only one. So I may try one. Localhost colon 8080 slash java hyphen web hyphen app. Java web app. Correct answer. Happened. You know, see another way. Kubectl. Docker images. Are you able to see that image? Are you able to see that image? Docker pull, quick response, Docker hands-on, Java hyphen web hyphen app colon. Sometimes it is not able to pull. No such file or directory. It is telling right? Yes or no? That was the problem. Docker login hyphen u pati docker hyphen p What was the problem? Any spelling mistake I did? Any spelling mistake? For a Docker login, what you make you? Docker login. Your login succeeded automatically. No, it is not able to pulling image. I hope that is the problem. Fail to prepare extraction snapshot. That is the internal problem, but it is showing maybe. I think you are getting endpoints properly. You'll get it. Okay. Internally something going wrong now. This is the right procedure for that image. It is not able to pull. That's why it is not giving proper answer. And I go with the other way. Other way in the sense the hub.docker.com, hub.docker.com, sign, sign, Fatih Docker, just continue. There you may check it. Such image is the Docker HANDSONR/Java hyphen web hyphen app. Such is there, right? 5 months ago is there. You check it. Here internally something went wrong, they are saying, right? Yes or no? We may go with other one. Docker Hansa, MAVN, Maven hyphen web hyphen application. We may check it, such thing is there or not. I think those images are not working properly. Error ID, that was the problem. Is it okay for you? That's why it is not able to run properly. My images are there. I don't know what is the name I provided. Anyway, we'll check it on web application. Pati Docker. Pati Docker. See Pati Docker in Java web. Maybe they are writing Java web project. See Java web app. Even I don't know. I'm giving this one. Tags. What is the tags are there? Quickly you may check it. So many numbers are there. You may remember one number, ma? Maybe 38. 38 Java web app. Kali Docker Java web app. Okay. Notepad already there. What is the number I said, ma? 38. Control yes. Control yes. There kubectl apply. But kubectl get endpoints and POINTs. Now it is okay. I'm going to the browser. First I make you up to this. Operator window, localhost, 8080, slash Java Web API. I don't know why it's not working. It will work properly. Localhost, everything is fine, but it is not working. Localhost, localhost. 11, at least you will get Tomcat now. If CTL get the endpoints is not properly, everything is fine. Docker images, their Nginx is okay. What about our image? See, here majority of the things we can able to see only Nginx. Is it okay for you? Is it my image is pulling or not? Docker pull the control V colon 38, right? If not pulling, it is also may not work. Now it is pulling. It is saying already exist. Now check it, such name already there. Pati Docker. Are able to see here Pati Docker? I hope I am not. Any other check it and tell me. Anyway, it is pulled man. I may rerun once again. kubectl apply. Good. Now got it or not? What was the problem? Anyone respond now? Our application, our controller is not able to interact with Docker properly. You know Docker runtime? See, generally what will happen, I'm going to Windows key or MS Paint once again, is observe. I'm the developer, I am the developer, like this, I am the person. I'm communicating with kubectl. I'm communicating with kubectl like this. You know it. It is the maybe person assume. There, here is the cluster. Within the cluster, by using kubectl, there is the control plane, you know it, general control plane. It is the worker assume. In this worker only, who is there here? Docker runtime. The technical word is container runtime. The container runtime is here is what ma? Docker. See, as a developer, I'm interacting with whom? API server. API server is going to interact with whom? Scheduler. Scheduler is going to talk with like this. But here it is not able to pull. It is not able to pulling the image, but it is telling everything is fine looking. Now you may go for logs. Then only we can able to see logs. Otherwise, we now we need to see the output, right? What is the context for? Till now you don't know, but we are trying. Java Web API. I am assuming like that. Now see, output is correct, right? Till now clear everybody? You may
Yes,
check
sir.
it with same image. Now what we are trying. See, if any web server related, maybe Tomcat, maybe HTTPD, maybe Nginx, these are the web related one, web related. Then only you can able to see the logs. Now we are going to enter into log nature. Where is my notepad? You see, you know the commands. Where is the log related? Logs, the old logs. Yes. Now see, kubectl logs. Up to this only our command. Copy it, paste it. What happened? Are you getting any error? Deployment. What was the problem? kubectl get kubectl logs. kubectl logs. For which name? Pod name you need to specify. kubectl logs. What is the pod name? kubectl get pods first. There kubectl get logs. Get logs. Here I'm going to specify my pod name. Copy it, paste it. Error. The server does not have the resource type. Any problem? I think any spelling mistake I did, man. kubectl. There is no get word. kubectl logs
Sir,
only.
copied command.
No, no, no.
Sir,
Wait, wait.
copied command log something.
What was the problem? Tell me. నేను మిస్ చేశాను అనుకుంటున్నావా? మిస్ చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే అందులో మై ఏపీపీ 1 లేదు మన దగ్గర. అందుకోసం నేను అలా తీసుకున్నాను. kubectl logs -l app my app is the right word. But we'll wait a minute. We'll say other way. See, kubectl get pods -l app is equal to my app. My-app. Is it available, right? This is the right procedure. Then what they are going to write in place of get, they are going to tell logs. But any spelling mistake now here? There is no pods, right? Check it. kubectl logs only -f. kubectl logs -f. It is giving log only, but it is giving look like some internal things, right? Ma, this is the log ma. See, start up in 1539 milliseconds. Tomcat server is started, right? This is the log information. Is it okay for you? You are thinking maybe error information. No, this is the log information. Now, Monica got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, flow logs in real time. This is the flow logs. See them. Both are same, but little difference is there. Here it may end. You may see the prompt here. See, again I am giving here. Here you may give once completion of this, you may get the prompt auto here prompt. Are you getting prompt here? See, it is waiting. Then if you change the Tomcat server internally, if you do some little changes, what happens based on the end user may request on the server, right? Are you understanding? Maybe n number of people may request on server. Based on the server request, maybe high request may be there. Something modifications may do, they may do. At that time, you may get extra message here. Control C. Control C. Now same thing, I am removing F. What happens? You may see. It may show the log information and it will end. Are you understanding? If I give -f, please read it here. This is important thing. This is which type of log? Real time. Real time means continuously it will continue up to server is running. Maybe for 100 years it may run. For 100 years, you won't get which one prompt. Maybe there little bit change that will reflect on here. Little bit change, reflect. Dynamic means at runtime. Runtime, it will change. Automatically that will reflect on your maybe logs. Is it okay for you, ma? Here it will show
Yes, sir.
you and exit. It will show and won't exit. This is the small difference between. You may try to understand. Real-time logs means you need to give extra parameter. What is the extra parameter? -f. -f. Good. Now execute into a pod. You know this. In Docker also, we entered into the pod, right? How did you enter into pod in Docker? Here see kubectl get pods. get pod, same look and feel. kubectl, exec, hyphen it, the pod name, pod, copy it, and you need to give bin bash. Sometimes bash may not work. At the time you go for sh. What happened? Any spelling mistake? What I did? kubectl exec. They're expecting command, right? They're hyper hyphen before or middle. They're check the syntax after hyphen mid. Now see, is it okay for you? Am I connected right? You may ask me, sir, what it is there? See, ls hyphen ltr. See, I'm entering to web apps. You can see the jar file, your jar file. See, var file, cd web apps, cd wb web apps. Now ls their cd, their see java web where. Are you able to see java web where? This is the var file. Whenever if I enter into liveness probe and readiness probe, if you are interested, even tomorrow I may teach liveness and readiness. There I may remove this one. Assume I may remove. After 5 minutes, our k8s cluster will go and fetch this one. How it will fetch? First, it will check for the readiness probe. What does it mean? Our container is ready to serve the people. It is not able to serve. At the time, endpoints will remove. You have seen endpoints, right? kubectl get endpoints. Have you seen or not? How many
Yes, sir.
pods are alive? Those many endpoints we may get. Suppose in one pod, I may remove anyone, maybe any one file. What it will do? It will take time for 2 to 3 minutes. Files are not there. If file is not there, what it will do? It will remove from the endpoints. If it remove from the endpoints, it may go for the liveness probe. Probes are two types. What are the probe names? First, try to understand. One is the readiness probe. Second one is what? Liveness probe. If something wrong in our pod, which will execute first, readiness or liveness, according to my scenario? First, we will check for the readiness probe. If readiness probe is not proper, what it will do? It will remove endpoint. It will remove endpoints. If endpoints are removed, what it will happen? Liveness probe will work. What liveness probe will do? Restart the container. If container restarts, what will happen? Everything it will gather. For this, it will take minimum 3 minutes to 5 minutes, even real time also. 3 minutes to 5 minutes. This is the wonderful concept. Somewhere you have seen, right? Maybe in our very beginning Kubernetes, auto healing, one word. Have you seen very first day? Auto healing, auto scaling. This is the auto healing
Yes, sir.
capability. Auto healing means, see, you got one wound. Even if without medicine also, after 10 days, after 1 month, wound may clear, right? Sometimes because of with your because of you may have maybe proper immunity power, slowly wound may clear. In the same way here also, if you specify liveness probe, readiness probe, then only it will restart the container. Otherwise, it won't restart the container. That is the great feature in Kubernetes. In Docker Swarm, in Docker, there is no such facility. That's why nowadays why Kubernetes powerful in the sense because of liveness probe and readiness probe. Is it clear for you? See, quickly I may remove this one. What happens? Already you may able to see the output here, right? You may able to see. We may check it here. What about rf hyphen rf java 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 web app dot web. Now ls we may check. Actually, it is internally it got removed. Who will provide this? We didn't specify readiness probe, liveness probe. There is no alternative. There is no alternative. But if I just what I may do quickly, I may delete I may delete. How to delete exit from here? Now tell me kubectl, kubectl, Even you may see kubectl get pods. What happened? Kubectl get pods. Look like running, right? Because of explicitly you won't identify what happened. Now you may enter into logs now. You may see the log nature. Where is the logs? Now see the something you may see the difference. Please observe here. In previous scenario, up to this server is running. Now you may see the error message somewhere. org.apache.cat startup there un undeploy. Sima undeploy context. Is it am I removed? Not removed, right? Something problem persisted. Are you agree with me? Where? In which application? Java. Yes. Based on the logs, we can recognize it. Now what will you do? You may restart ma. I given one command, right? Without touching here. What is the command I said? kubectl rollout restart ma. Shall we go for this? Rollout restart. Copy. See, even directly I can execute command. There is no use. Based on the scenario, I am executing. I hope restarted. You may check it. After restarting, I may enter into the browser. I may refresh it, what it may be. Are you understanding, ma? See, I'm not changing the age also. On existing one only, see, I maybe I'm having one item. Something goes wrong. Maybe I may given for repair. They may repair again. I'm using same component, but some people may not do like that. They may throw that existing object. They will buy a new object. The buying new object is removing existing pod or container. Try to redeploy your application. It may create new pod. I didn't create new pod. Just I restarted existing one. Now till now clear. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Even some more are there. Even for tomorrow also, it may take 1 hour more. I think those many things are there. If you promise me, sir, we will do internally, maybe today, tomorrow I may enter into either a liveness probe or readiness probe or maybe stateful set, or else again I will explain all these things one because of that much of importance is there. Without get the clarity regarding deployment object, remaining concepts are not an easy task. Based on your wish, tomorrow I may continue. Is it okay for you? Till now clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, kubectl delete deployment, again deployment name, force grace period. Maybe within 0 seconds, what will you do? Force delete if needed. You're going to delete. Even see kubectl delete deployment, that is simple. It will delete. But quickly, within seconds, what will you do? You may delete everything. I may apply here this one. What happens? Force delete. Copy. You try to understand and apply. I'm expecting that one. There, what is the name of the deployment? Only my app, right? What happened? Any spelling mistake? Deleted me. Quickly, I may come to here and apply. We won't get it. Is it clear? Like this, you need to apply. Maybe similar commands only. Majority of the commands, main commands, roll out, undo. Rollout on what does it mean? From latest to older version, how to move. From older to new, how to move. That one already explained. Remaining comments, you need to check. You need to check. If any difficulty, post it on our group. I may try to explain those things. Okay, thank you. Remaining check it.
Thank you.
Remaining check it. Maybe once again tomorrow I may ask you if anyone tell sir I have so and so command I am facing difficulty. I'll try to explain. Otherwise, tomorrow which one ma? Shall I go with the stateful set or maybe lioness probe, readiness probe? Respond others also. Only Monica is responding. The remaining people sitting silently, they are checking is giving properly telling or not. Stop recording.